If designers, owners, system integrators, or partners are watching this video, what would you most like to say to them?
What I would most like to say is this: the future of lighting would not be defined only by hardware, nor will it be defined only by software. In the end, it will be defined by whether it creates real value. We hope that this collaboration gives the market confidence that lighting can just be more intelligent and more human at the same time. It can be more controllable and more verifiable. It can be more design-driven and more closely aligned with real user needs. We are very, very much looking forward to working with forward-thinking owners, designers, and partners to turn this into a real deployable case. If you had to summarize the collaboration between Lighting Recipe Studio and Traxon EQ in one sentence, what would it be?
I would say this is not about making light more complicated. It is about helping light finally understand people. And Jack, if you had to put it into one sentence,
I would say this is the next step in making visionary light operational, measurable, and value creating.
what we are looking for is not just to make a healthy light sound more appealing, but to make it truly implementable, verifiable, and continuously optimizable.
And that is exactly the future we want to help to build together.
Thank you, Jack. And thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Lawrence. It's been a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.